To show and use the snooze button on the notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap notification, tap advanced setting, and then tap the gray on offset next to show snooze button to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. Now open the notification panel by swiping down the top of the screen. If you have Android notification, you will see that there's a snooze button on it. The button looks like a bell with a small clock in it. If needed, you can snooze the notification. To do so, tap the snooze button and then select the desired snooze duration. As the example, we will select 15 minutes. Tap save button to save the change. By doing this, your phone will hide the notification and will display the notification again in 15 minutes later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.